Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to allow photo camera roll access to Snapchat. So, let's get started. If you have installed Snapchat for the first time, then open the Snapchat app. Snapchat will automatically ask you to allow photos and media, take pictures and record videos, and record audio. Simply tap on while using the app. For the next time, Snapchat will not ask for permission. Alternatively, if you're using an Android device, it can also be done through the settings. Simply open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, find Snapchat and tap on it. Tap on Permissions. Here, you will find all the permissions that Snapchat requires. You can simply tap on the permission to allow Snapchat. That's it. You've now successfully allowed photo camera roll access to Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.